not really sure what my hair is doing today, but it is a hot, hot Saturday. And last Saturday, we turned Saturday into a work day, and it was so profitable last week to have some things done. So today I'm going to be doing some filming, and I'm just waiting for somebody to leave and the dogs to come in and all the noise to end so that I can start filming in the kitchen. And yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm going to do some filming this morning, and then I'm going to do some cooking and some cleaning and some much needed editing probably. So I'm going to get my day started. Okay, I got that video done, and now I am about to start, you're seeing some vegetables here. I'm about to start prepping and making some fajitas without the tortillas as part of we're just going to have that for lunch today, and then I'm going to package it up for meals for the rest of the next couple days. But I wanted to show you, I did buy a new olive oil. This one here came from Whole Food. I am honestly obsessed with trying new things from Whole Food because I'm very intrigued by you know, wondering if it tastes any different, if it's any better, you know, that kind of thing. This bottle was about $10. A little bit more than I usually spend because, you know, I'm an ALDI shopper, but I thought I would give it a try. They actually had olive oil, and I think I have a picture of myself on my Instagram, a $46 bottle of olive oil. And I thought that was really interesting. I'm wondering, has anybody ever tried that? And if so, what's the difference? Does it taste any better? I wanted to show you guys, look at the size of these green peppers. They're bigger than my hand. They're huge. 89 cents a piece from Walmart. Ginormous green peppers. Huge. So I've got my chicken in there, and I'm letting it get done, and then I'm going to pull it out, and then this bowl is housing all the vegetables I'm going to throw in there, and then I'm going to season it all together, and it'll be ready to serve up, and it'll be delicious. And very, very healthy. It is lunchtime, and this looks pretty good. So basically, it's like fajitas without the tortilla, since I'm doing the 17-day diet. And you will probably see all about that because I showed that in a video. So that'll probably go out on Monday. And this vlog will probably go out on Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'm enjoying this. Smells really good. Lots of veggies and chicken. Thought I would check in, excuse the hoodie. I got cold, and so I put the hoodie on. I just shot a second video. Today is Saturday, and I think I said that on Saturday we have made it to be work day around here to try to get things kind of caught up and done. And so I've got some clothes in the wash. I'm about to clean up the kitchen. Dylan is going to put chicken on the grill for supper tonight. And yeah, I had a light installed in my bedroom above my vanity, which will be so wonderful because I can't see anything in there. Even with my vanity light on, it's just not enough lighting, so I had some installed. You're seeing a shirt right here. I line dried that shirt, and I need to put it up, right? So anyways, I thought that I would do a weekend vlog for you guys, Saturday and Sunday, kind of show you snippets of what I'm doing throughout the day. I know you guys enjoy these types of videos. I just ate my yogurt. If you guys will know, if you don't already, I'm doing a 17-day diet, and I felt really like very famished, so I decided to go ahead and have my yogurt. Sometimes I have after dinner, but tonight, because I ate breakfast and lunch and everything earlier, I went ahead and just ate it. So I feel a lot better for it, let me tell you. Yesterday, I should have started filming the weekend vlog yesterday, but I did get a little snippet of a video, and I will insert it here after this clip. We went to Shelby Farms yesterday, and they had the most glorious sunflower patch, and I had to walk a good ways in open-toed shoes to get there. And I didn't post the entire video on my Instagram. I did post a little tiny snippet of it because I am so out of breath. Let me explain to you why, so that when you guys see this, you understand. We pulled the car up as close to where we could get. I had to walk through a really strange marshy field, and then I had to cross through a garden that had divots like, like this, in open-toe shoes, mind you, all dressed up, thinking I'm going on a date that's going to be dinner and shopping, and here I am plummeting through a field because we saw this field of sunflowers. Guys. Hi guys, it's Heidi here with Kiddoskoral, and I wanted to share this moment with you guys in video because I'm in the middle of a ginormous sunflower patch that we just happened to come by today, and anyhow, it's beautiful. Look, can you guys see? Anyhow, we are out and about. I'm trying to be very careful because I'm wearing open-toe shoes, not exactly the right footwear for this moment. I'm gonna get down here and give you guys a straight shot behind me of all the sunflowers. Can you guys see? Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great Friday. Catch you guys later. Bye. Guys, I was not dressed for the occasion. My blouse kept falling forward. My shoes was killing me. It was bad. And then they had these walkways between the sunflowers that were basically just they were extremely lumpy, and there was holes, and I had to be careful not to fall in one of them, and it had hay on top of it. So that is why I sound like, you know, I'm totally out of breath, because I was trying to scramble and not fall, and I had to travel so far to get to the field. It was just so funny. Okay, I just was not dressed for the occasion. But nevertheless, I got some really great photographs. It was so pretty and was worth my horrific trip to get there. It was funny. I'm laughing about it now. Good morning. It is Sunday, and I am sauteing some zucchini. And I've got my eggs over here. I've got a little tiny bit of spinach left, so I'm going to add that to the eggs. I've got a plate over here. So we are getting ready to eat some breakfast, and we are hungry. Wow, this is a Sunday breakfast, and I've got some zucchini and my eggs, and I make like an omelet with 2 eggs, and then I stuff it full of spinach. It's Sunday. I'm having my breakfast in my PJs, so it can't get any better than that. I am headed out to the store. It's almost the first of the month, so we're kind of running low a little bit, but I'm going to go get some spinach and some salad stuff, some extras, and some Greek yogurt for the week. So, because after today we'll be all out, and the diet that we're doing, we have to have the yogurt and everything. Anyways, I'm wearing a new top. It's a navy blue top. I actually got this from Target, and I have to tell you guys, I have been on the mad search for comfortable t-shirts, and it is really hard to find, especially if you have large boob size. And it is really, really hard to find things that aren't just so super clingy, and so I lucked out on this, and I'll tell you guys the name brand of it later. I can't remember what the name brand is, but it was only $8, and now I think I need one in every color. Friends, okay, so I'm just checking in with you guys. I have no idea what I have to share as far as video content because I kind of feel like we've had a really laid back weekend. I ran to Costco. I ended up going to Costco. I was going to go to Kroger, but we ended up going to Costco because I thought I was going to be able to score one of those big giant bags of spinach, but they were completely sold out. So I didn't get that, and that was kind of a bust. But I did get a container of strawberries, 2 things of yogurt, and a thing of mixed greens, which we will eat in the next few days. Prepping for the week, and somebody keeps stealing my carrots. And I'm making salads for dinner tonight, and we have grilled chicken in the refrigerator. So I'm going to show you guys real quickly what I was talking about. We are going to install this here that will go all the way across, as you can see here, so that I have a place to, if I can see, to hang clothes on when I'm taking them out of the dryer. By the way, I got so many messages about my dryer. When I got my washer and dryer, I posted a picture on Instagram, and everybody's like, oh my gosh, it needs to be on the other side because it's a pain in the butt to open and all this stuff. And honestly, it doesn't bother me. But I did not want any more lectures about it. Not lectures, but I did not want to hear any more messages about how this dryer needed to open from the other side. So guess what? I moved it. And it opens that way now. So those of you that drove me crazy about that, it's done. So I just got done eating dinner, and I gave you guys kind of a tour of my laundry room. Well, not a tour, but just showed you what we did today, which I'm really happy about, to have a place to put hang-up clothes, which will make my life a whole lot easier, whenever it comes to doing laundry. And I think I would rather clean toilets than actually wash clothes. I hate washing clothes so bad. So I've got an early morning tomorrow. I have a meeting tomorrow, and I have to go take care of some things, but I just wanted to come in here and say thank you so much for watching the vlog. Hopefully I have some good content to put out there for you guys. This weekend wasn't really that exciting, but the day in the life videos coming up, I think that you guys will enjoy. We have some things planned, and yeah, so I'm gonna go get this uploaded and edited and you know, all that good stuff, so it goes out this week for you guys to see. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. And thanks so much for watching. Good night, guys.